Hi class, let's take a look at example 2. In an example 2, they're providing us with a sketch. They are mentioning that they're revolving along the y-axis. So we have to be careful on how we actually use the formula. For example, we're technically going to be using that formula. So let me just actually write the formula and then we'll punch in the values. So in this case, the surface area, or S, is equal to the integral. Since it's the y-axis, in this case it's going in this direction, so it's going to be from 0 to 1 of 2 pi, and in this case it's going to be your x value. So this one is going to say x of y times the square root of 1 plus x prime of y squared dy. So that's going to be your formula. Technically, the equation that we're using is x plus y is equal to 1. So x plus y is equal to 1, or x is equal to 1 minus y. So this is going to be our actual function. Let me just rewrite it as x of y is equal to 1 minus y. Then x of y prime is equal to technically negative 1. So x prime of y squared is equal to 1. And we're going to need these results. Okay, so before I mess this up, let me punch in the values into the formula. So we still have that S is equal to the integral from 0 to 1 of 2 pi, and our function as an x of y, or solve for x, is equal to 1 minus y. This is 1 minus y times the square root of 1 plus, and this is actually good news. This one turned out to be just 1, and this is with respect to y. So we're looking at, and I'm just going to take out that 2 pi integral from 0 to 1 of 1 minus y of the square root of 2 dy. So let me just extract that out. And then rewrite this one as, well, 2 square root of 2 pi integral from 0 to 1 of 1 minus y dy, which is going to be 2 square root of 2 pi times y minus y squared over 2 from 0 to 1, which just happens to be 2 square root of 2 pi times, so times 1 minus 1/2, technically minus 0, or 2 square root of 2 pi times 1/2. And then we can cancel the 2's. So this one as an exact answer ended up being square root of 2 pi. I'll just write it as units, and let me evaluate that to get a decimal approximation. So square root of 2 pi, I'm getting approximately 4.4. So 4.4 rounding to 1 decimal units. That would be the surface area of this actual shape.